Hi guys, Grey Mommy Gamer here, and today I'm gonna tell you about my awesome road trip to get the Tamagotchi Friends 2014 edition. I traveled 410 kilometers to get this one, but baby, is it worth it. So come join me in this awesome road trip.
Welcome to Butterfly Boxes. Welcome to Butterfly Boxes.
And here our road trip begins. So we live somewhere around the middle of the Netherlands, which is okay, but if you have to go to the end of the country, it's quite a distance. So here you see me driving. Okay guys, I'm here. I'm in Gronsveld of all places. I don't see the toy shop yet. I guess it's either there next to the McDonald's or it's somewhere there, but I don't know. So I'll be back in a few minutes to see where we need to go. Let's find that toy shop and let's find that Tamagotchi! So guys, we're here. We found the toy shop. It's still closed because it isn't 12 o'clock yet. But we have traveled 204 kilometers to get the Tamagotchi Friends in a completely new edition. I can't wait to see which color it is, but we still have to wait. Let's see. We have to wait 15 minutes before the toy shop opens. Okay. Whew. Are you ready, guys? Well, I am. And I'm hungry, but there's a McDonald's over there, so we can have some food later on there. Okay guys, the store is open. Let's go inside and get the Tamagotchi. Ah, Shopkins! Oh no, I'm getting distracted. Oh no. Oh, I love Shopkins. LOLs, more LOLs, more LOLs. Oh, it's like I'm in LOL heaven. Oh gosh, look at all this Lego. Oh, I want it. Oh, it's so beautiful. But wait, we were here for something else. Oh, eggs. Okay guys, we're back. We got the Tamagotchi Friends. It was real, it was not a sham. They really had it. Only one piece left. So the box is kind of damaged, but yeah, considering it is something from 2014, I'm not that sad actually. And it looks so cute. And actually I'm pretty happy with the one I got. So they only had the, let me open it. So they only had the blue-white one. And I think this one is so pretty. Look at everything. Okay, let's see which one they had. So I think being that we are girls, I think the pink one would have been, you know, like super amazing. But I guess the blue one is, maybe I actually like the blue one better. Okay, so, and also in the store I found something else which we have been wanting to buy for a long time, but you know, they didn't have it anywhere. So let me show it to you. It's too big to show in the car, but you know, maybe you can see it. So it is the Shopkins, like, carnival. How do you call that? It's in French. Okay, I don't know the English name. So let's see the back. Okay. So here we go. Oh, I always wanted this one with the bumper cars. They are so cool. Okay, look at the slides. So can you see the slide? Yay, Shopkins sliding. And as you guys know, we really love Shopkins. So this is amazing. Oh, it comes with 4 exclusive Shopkins. Nice. Okay, so this is something I also found in that store. I am really happy with it. So something else we bought in the store, it's with cute ears and it has all kinds of chocolate in it. And I haven't seen this one in our stores, so I'm really happy that we found something. It's really like, because it's almost Easter, and you know, this would really suit Jenna and Alice perfectly. So I bought 2, so they will be happy, and they will be starring with these ears in many, many videos. And because it is a 2-hour drive, I got some, let's see, some French fries here, which we're gonna eat while driving back for 2.5 hours back home to surprise everybody with the new Tamagotchi. Okay, see you guys later. Bye! And our road trip continues back home. 204 kilometers to go. See you later. And we're back home. Look at the pretty little Tamagotchi on the stand. I'm so happy I got this one. Let's grab it and let's look at it. See how pretty it is. Look at the inside. Ooh, look at what you can all do with this Tamagotchi. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at the back. See, it's almost open, so I don't want to rip it open because I want to conserve the box. So let's open it carefully. Oh, look at the inside. Even though I want to go to that website, don't think it will be there anymore. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, careful, careful, careful. Okay, there it is. Ooh, Tamagotchi friends. Ooh, it's quite heavy actually compared to other Tamagotchis. Okay, let's see. Ah, there we go. There we have the reset button. But now, how do we open it? We open it. Ah, look, there. Screwdriver. Okay, let's open it. Quick, 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 quick. Fast forward this. Okay, I can't get it open. So let's have a look at the instructions. Okay. So this is what you can do with this Tamagotchi friend. So there are a lot of interactions. But you would need another Tamagotchi for that. Okay, we'll do it the next time. So I've got it open, finally. Let's put some batteries in it. Okay, there we go. How does this go? It's this way? Nope, nope. Okay, let's see. Then put this battery in. And, oh gosh, sorry. It fell on the ground. Okay, let's put it back in and click. There we go. We got the Tamagotchi friends ready. Now let's pull off the sticker. Yeah. Okay, this is really gonna damage my nails. There we go. It's coming off nice and clean. Oh, look how cute she is. Oh, she's such a cutie. Let's put the sticker there. Okay. Now let's see, so what do we need to do? Oh, so we first need to put in the date of today, and also we need to put in our birthday. So let's do that. Bloop, 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 bloop. Can you hear the sound? It's making such funny sounds. Okay, let's see. Let's put in our date of birth. Okay, yep, we're almost there. I skipped one of the numbers. Okay, and it's done. Setup is complete. Oh, wait. Now let's give it a name. Let's fast forward this. Okay, here we go. Jen. And we are completely done. Oh, look. Now we need to select which kind of egg we want. Okay, well, you know, I'm gonna go for the hard egg because it looks so pretty. Let's see now. I guess now we have to wait until it hatches. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this trip. Bye! Tamagotchi says bye!
Welcome to Butter Sandbox. Welcome to